Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a video using clip-ins from Sassina hair. And how I prep my hair for the clip-in installation is by first doing flat twists and then secondly taking the flat twists out once they are completely dry. The next thing I'm going to do is separate the clip-ins by size. This just makes it easier to install, and I will be using 2 packages today of 16-inch clip-ins. And the details of the clip-ins and the company that the clip-ins are from will be in the description box. I start off by separating my hair with my fingers, and the parts do not have to be straight, and then I begin installing the clip-ins. Next, I will just be blending in my curls with the clip-in curls. I'm just gonna take my curls and twirl them around the clip-ins. And this is just the way I choose to do my blending by using a flat twist out, but you probably could get more defined curls by using a styling hair gel. I just choose not to use hair gel in my hair because I don't like the way my hair feels when the gel is in my hair, and I don't like the way my hair feels when I try to wash and remove the gel from my hair. So I just use a cream, and these are the curls from just using a cream curl product. This is just my preferred way of doing it, but you can do it with whatever kind of way you want to make your curls blend. I'm just going to continue blending my hair until I'm satisfied with the end result. And I really think I did a pretty good job blending my hair. I'm getting better and better each time I do a clip-ins hairstyle. I was going for a bob hairstyle, and I have a bob hairstyle, and I think it turned out pretty cute. The hair looks really natural. The color looks really natural. So if you would like to get these clip-ins a try, go to Sassina Hair, use my $10 discount code, and get you some of these clip-ins. I guarantee you, you will be completely satisfied, just like I am. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you on the next one.